Nothing's more relaxing than doing nothing all day.
Hey, Woody! Today's the big three-way water race down at the beach. Will you be my coach?
Oh, no. Nothing doing, Winnie. Sounds like way too much work.
I've been practicing all three of the big events. Swimming... diving... surfing. So, what do you say now, Coach?
Not interested.
Did I mention the prize?
The prize?
The winners get a 2-week tropical vacation on board the biggest party yacht in the world.
What are we waiting for? Let's hit the beach and win that prize, Winnie. Hop, two, hop, two, hop, two.
Welcome to the Big Beach Extravaganza, the thrilling ocean event that combines swimming, diving, and surfing.
Oh, boss. This vacation prize package looks like heaven on earth. Oh!
We got a race to win, Twiggy. Get your mind where it belongs.
On winning?
On cheating.
The first leg will be the mile swim, a sprint to the buoy where the winner will claim the first of 3 flags.
Doesn't sound so tough to me.
That's probably because I'm the one swimming.
Good luck, sports. And get used to looking at this. 'Cause you'll be behind me, staring at it the whole way.
No way. We're winning this race.
Oh, that's rich. Get ready to swim, Twiggy.
Swim? Oh, no, boss. See, I sink a lot.
Oh, don't worry. When you push this little button here, you'll become instantly unsinkable.
On your marks, get set, and go!
Oh, water and wetness! I'm swimming, boss! I'm swimming!
Shut your yap and swim harder.
Hey, what'd you stop for?
That no-good buzzard hoodwinked us.
So long, suckers!
Let's teach those bottom feeders a lesson.
It'll take more than a rope trick to beat us, mister.
Cheaters never prosper. Oh,
Way to go, Twiggy! We just won the first leg.
What?
Next up, the deep sea dive.
Oh, boss, are you sure I need all this extra weight?
It's the fastest way to the bottom and the next flag, Twiggy. You want to win that vacation, don't you?
Yeah, but just once I'd like to be the one putting rocks in your pants.
Divers ready, set, and dive!
Dive, Winnie, dive!
Off you go.
Wow!
No good cheating, buzzard.
looks like you guys could use a hand.
Oh my! In a shocking turnabout, the diving competition goes to Winnie and Woody Woodpecker. That means we're down to the final event, surfing.
Winnie, you do the surfing, I'll watch the cheating.
These woodpeckers aren't getting turnpiked. No way.
Oh, boss! This ain't working so good!
That'll hold yous. And quit right, you grousing. Now to take care of them woodpeckers once and for all.
Oh, a shark! A shark!
Man, knock it off. It's just me.
Oh, not everyone can carry off that look, but you can, boss.
Get ready, Winnie! There's something fishy going on out there.
Ah! Shark!
Fishy like a buzzard shark. I got you covered, Winnie!
Here they come, sports fans! It's not over yet! The board has to cross the finish line!
Oh, gimme, come here, Rolado. I got you.
Way to go, Winnie!
And the winners, Winnie and Woody!
Ah, who wouldn't call this paradise, huh, Woody?
Only a pair of dimwits, Winnie. Yodelay-hoo! At last, a vacation in Bavaria, the home of Bavarians. What's this? Free food and fun too, yeah? I'm there. The red carpet treatment. These Bavarians sure know how to treat a guy. Boy, oh boy, oh. Whoa!
I'm Gunther! You came to be my new best friend, yeah?
Say, what's the big idea?
You come to play with Gunther, yeah? Gucci, 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 Gucci!
I came for the free food and fun. And this is fun.
You play with Gunther, and Gunther let you play with all this!
You mean if I just play with you, I get to stay in this swell joint for free? That's it? He's a live one, all right. But this is too good to pass up. You're in luck, Gunter, because playing just happens to be my middle name.
Goody, 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 goody! Then here's our new secret body handshake!
What a very annoying kid. But I was a kid once too, you know. This is the life. Relax all day, relax all night. And just come up with simple ways to keep old Gunter occupied. Hey!
Woody, Woody, Woody! We play Navy battle now!
Yeah, whatever floats your boat, kid. I'll use this boat. You go get your own.
Aye, aye, Woody!
That ought to keep him busy for a while. Bavarian bratwurst. When he goes in for a nap, I'll have the place all to myself. While Gunter's a nappin', I'll be a tappin'. Oh, and now for my second course.
So, Mr. Bad Woodpecker guy, you thought you could escape Uber Duper Man! I found you! Now you find me! I'm a bunny! I'm a bunny! I'm a bunny!
That does it. Freebies or no freebies, I'm out of this joint.
You found me! You found me! Found me again!
I gotta get out of here! I gotta get out of here! I gotta get out of here! You can't keep this woodpecker down.
Ah, no! You keep finding me, Woody!
Auf Wiedersehen, Gunter. Now a quick dip in the neighbor's moat, and I'm out of here.
Holy yodeling! My wish came true! A new best friend!
Oh no, not another one!
Now I have someone to play with! Happy, happy, happy day!
So you want someone to play with, do ya? Yodelodely Gunter!
I found you! I found you!
Gunter, meet your new best friend.
Oh, Woof, you have come to play with Frida.
Yeah?
You're it! You're it!
Okay, you throw me.
Now play nice. Now for some Bavarian napping.
Ah, you missed me! Now you gotta kiss me!
So, trying to get in on your nerve, eh? Well, you're going out on your ear. Okay, me lad. Get your seat off of my feet!
Oh, pardon me. Boy, oh boy, what of you? What of you? Hey, Herbie, remove the derby.
Ice cold Sony Pop, get 'em on their cold. Ice cold Sony Pop.
Well, well, soda pop. Come on, open up, open up! Ah! Have some pop, cop? No stopper, copper.
Come on now, Shorty, put it right in there, boy. Come on, put it right in there. Come on now, Shorty, put it right in there, old boy. Give him a fastball there.
Come on, cut out the fancy stuff. Toss me that old apple.
Apple? Apple? Okay.
Batter up!
Come on, big boy, shoot one across here. Let's have a fast one across the plate. Put her over, big boy, put her over. It's all up to Woody Woodpecker to make that shot and win the game. It's Woody to Woody for the slam dunk.
Woodpecker, today's the annual country fair. I'm taking my entry in the Hooray for Souffle contest over to the fairgrounds. While I'm gone, you have to babysit my niece.
What? No way.
Maybe you should get busy reviewing paragraph 3, subsection C, item 21A of your rental agreement.
Must babysit whenever needed or face eviction. Oh, man. She certainly looks, related.
She's been at that book all week trying to earn a country cadet talent badge. Jeannie, Woody here is gonna help you find a talent while I'm gone. There better not be any problems, Woodpecker, or believe you me, there'll be problems. Ta-ta!
So, you, figure out your talent yet?
Nope.
Mind if I watch TV while you figure it out?
Nope.
Mind if I take a nap?
Nope.
All right, then. What? What's the matter?
What do you think I'm good at, Mr. Woodpecker?
Bothering me.
What are you good at, Mr. Woodpecker? Maybe you could show me that.
I'm good at napping. Watch. Yeah, what?
My Country Cadet's Handbook says woodpeckers are good with wood projects.
Yeah, I'm real good with wood. When I'm not napping. Oh, no. Believe me, wood is not your talent.
Well, not yet.
Well, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. No! Hey, you can't cut down my tree for your talent badge.
Then you have to help me find something else I'm good at!
Stop your bawling. We'll find a talent that's
Quiet! How about meteorology?
perfect. You study the weather, and I'll go study the inside of my eyelids. Back to what I do best.
I need a weather vane. I don't have a rooster. But I do have a woodpecker. Ooh, it's getting windy.
Jeannie! What am I doing up here?
Helping me with my meteorology talent badge. Which direction do you think you're blowing now, Mr. Woodpecker? You're not helping me be a weather watcher!
Weather watching is not your talent. This time, I'll pick. Bingo, bug collecting. That'll be your talent.
Are you sure?
It's delicate, quiet work. Now go collect some bugs and then study what they do.
Hello? Are you in there, bugs? Hello?
Hey, what do you think you're doing, Missy? We live here.
You could hurt someone with that kind of poking.
I'm studying bugs. What do you do?
We're ants.
We take food and we eat it.
It's a living.
Okay. No problem.
Tango leader to Echo Base. We are go for Operation Deep Freeze.
Huh? Jeannie! What are you doing?
Retreat!
exactly what your talent is, Genie.
Whoa! Look at me, Auntie!
Oh boy, today's the big game. Pepper McCracken could hit his 500th home run, and I'm gonna catch it. One for the front row, please, Bub.
There's only one ticket left for the game, and it's in the cheap seats.
Okay.
Sold!
Hey, what's the big idea? That's my ticket.
Not anymore, funny little man. Home run.
I'd say it was more of a foul ball.
Hey, no,
Strike one.
no.
Strike two. Strike three. You're out. And I'm in.
Allow me, little Mr. Ticket Taker. A superbular catch by moi.
Now where did that ball game bustin' bully go? Ah! Enjoy your grub, Bob.
Why, you...
So long, sap. Cheap seats way out that way.
My, how convenient and whatnot. I was just looking for this.
Team mascot Rocky the Boy Rocket. I know just how I'll give that guy a seat. On the moon.
Rah, rah, etc. Go Rockets!
Attention, sports fans, attention! Rocky the Boy Rocket's Lucky Seat Contest is about to begin.
A contest? Oh, and I didn't study.
That's right, ladies and germs. Who is the lucky one seated in aisle O?
Oh, ow, exit me. Oh, I hate alphabetical order. This hurts my head.
Aisle O, as in, oh my gosh, I'm a big dumb bully with the winning ticket.
Okay. 1, 2, L, 7, M, N, carried it. 3, oh, bingo! That's me!
Row 57, seat 9.
What do I win? Hey, wait a minute. Rockets don't have red hair. Do they? No.
Holy shamoly! Apparently today's 7th inning stretch festivities are starting early.
Give me back my ticket.
Oh, that's gonna leave him seeing stars.
our regularly scheduled game.
Woodpecker! That's from my ticket. And that's because I have rage control issues. And somebody dislike me. I have inner turmoil and pain. And that's when I play with my inner child. And hey, wait a minute.
No hard feelings, buddy. Take the seat and enjoy.
I didn't just get hit by a turnip truck, you know.
Well, not yet anyway.
Stealing your ticket was wrong and disconsiderable of me. Please, you take the seat.
No, you take it.
No, you take it.
It's all yours.
No, it's all yours.
No, I insist.
You.
Me.
My, oh my, and there's a deep drive into left field by Pepper McCracken. It could, it might, it may be out of the ballpark.
Gee, you know, I will take this seat.
Whoever catches McCracken's 500th home run ball will be the winner of front row season tickets.
Woohoo! Thank you. Yes, sir. Yes!
Holy shamoly! What a spectacular catch by the Woodpecker fan in center field!
Say, Sporto, why don't you just keep the seat after all?
It's a good seat. I like it. It's all mine.
Butch, stand still. Butch, I said stand still. Now, as you were. You big clumsy axe. Now, if you move, boom! No more doggy.
What's the big idea throwing my food away?
Take it easy, pal. Don't get excited. I got enough food for us and all your relatives.
Yeah?
Yeah. Come on, I'll show you, and will you be surprised? Take a gander at that. Some hunk of meat, huh?
You said it. Let's pull him up. Get off my back. Get off my back. We can't pull him up. He's too heavy.
Yeah, we gotta figure some other way. I got it! I got it!
Boy, what a brain. What a brain.
Come back here, boys! Come back here!
Yeah, you and your big ideas.
Major Bull, sir. What a surprise.
At ease, Sergeant. I know you were heading out on vacation. Well, the Antarctic Corps would like you to take it right here.
But, sir, I was going to a warm tropical island.
You scratch our back and we'll scratch yours, Hogwash. I'm assigning you to a Priority 1 assignment. The military has been working on this secret biodome for over a year. What you're about to see is top secret, meant for your eyes only.
It's a paradise.
Yes, it's the pinnacle of modern military science. Everything here, from the steam from the artificial volcano to the smallest grain of sand, is designed to nurture a single precious crop.
I hope it's yams. I love yams. Whoa!
Ultra Nanas, a bioengineered superfood with all the nutrients for the army on the move.
Oh, it's not yams.
Sergeant, you are not to eat the bananas or touch the bananas. You are only to look at the bananas when you're feeding and watering them.
Understood, sir.
On second thought, you better not even look at them.
Sir, about my vacation.
Enjoy it, Sergeant. As long as the structure is secure and the Ultra Nanas are thriving, you are free to enjoy all the dome's amenities. Carry on!
Sir, yes, sir, and sundry, sir. Vacation? Here I come. A little drip here and a little bitty drop there. And now it's time to unwind. Incoming! Halt, you little banana burglar! You're trespassing on government property! Wow! Gotcha! Penguin, you are about to receive a lesson in trajectory. I got you in my crosshairs, you little fruit looter! Where'd you go now? Thought you could escape hogwash o' the jungle, did you? Well, no knick-knack, jingle-jungling way, Pee-wee! You are hereby dishonorably discharged! Here you go, my little thirsty worsty. A drinky-winky. And don't you worry, that bad boy penguin won't bother you anymore. Now it's time to play. Ding, ding, ding. Die, die. Halt! No pilfering penguin's gonna foul up my furlough. Quit your splashing in my face. You going down, boy. Round and round and round he goes. I've always wanted to try one of these. What? You ruined my R&R one time too many, you banana peeling pirate! Say goodbye to paradise, penguin. Uh-oh. Don't get back here! Wah!
What in the name of stars and stripes? Hogwash!
Major Bull, good to be you. See you, sir. Or be seeing you. Chapter later, sing this song. Doo-dah.
Your vacation leave is permanently terminated until you fix that biodome top to bottom and regrow those ultrananas! Now move it, move it, move it, move it, move it!
For the highlight of our tour, ladies and gentlemen.
Wow, it's the famous Peckingham Castle.
Stay together. You may catch a glimpse of the Queen if you're lucky.
The royal kitchen. Oh, it's been my lifelong dream to be the Queen's royal chef. Yes, Your Majesty. Cream puffs and eclairs flambé. I can whip those up right away. Oh, my. I am so sorry.
Is that the way for a royal cooking assistant to behave?
Royal cooking assistant?
No, it is not. I am the great Wally Walrus, the Queen's new royal chef from Sweden. This my first day here, and I got to make my famous Swedish taffy for Her Highness in less than 1 hour. You will assist the great Chef Wally, yeah?
Wow, if I can prove to Chef Wally that I'm a good cook, I could become a real royal chef.
Now, Woodpecker, work, work, work!
All cooking utensils present and accounted for, sir.
Out of my way, and check the taffy's taffiness.
Check the taffy's taffiness? Aye, aye, sir.
Some salt water. I need a bit of honey. Gooey marmalade. Yeah, a bit of chewing gum.
Oh.
Arugula. What in the name of flaming fjords? Turn off the machine!
Oh, no! What lever do I use?
Whoa! Shut it down!
Done! Right!
Take until yummy and serve for the tummy, yeah.
I guess down was wrong. No, Chef Wally, please! Just let me cook something and you'll see that I'm a real kitchen magician.
No way, Houdini. You'll do your magic on these. Grease them all in 5 minutes or you're fired.
How am I going to grease all these pans that fast? The dishwasher. Like I always say, when in doubt, improvise. This butter should do the trick. No butter? How did that happen? Uh-oh, it's all jammed up.
Woodpecker.
Phew, good as new.
What are you trying to do? Ruin me? What's this? Oh no! Take that and 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 2 of those!
All done.
Oh no! We're late! Woodpecker, finish the taffy! If you mess up, I'll see the only place you cook is in the royal dungeon. Everything happens to Wally.
The recipe's all in Swedish. Oh, here goes nothing. I'll add some honey. And maybe a dash of this, a pinch of that. Yeah, I'm all over this dessert. You bet!
Whittakers. I hope that taffy assistant's got my taffy ready.
Oh, maybe I used a little too much of this and that or that and the other.
That doesn't smell like my taffy. Look at what you did to my famous taffy.
Oh, my.
Who is responsible for this?
Oh, well, Your Majesty, this one right here, my assistant, she is responsible for everything. She did it all.
You're an assistant? Not anymore.
That's right. You're fired.
Fired? Why, I'm promoting her.
What?
Winnie, you are my new royal chef. Yeah, I love this. And Wally, you're demoted to assistant.
I'll be the world's greatest royal chef.
No, no! I am the greatest chef in the world, not her. You can't do this. I will appeal to the Swedish...
Oh, don't be too hard on him, Your Highness. He means well. He's just a little stuck on himself.
Oh, how droll. Very amusing.
Oh, thank you, Highness.
That's my boy.